Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be doing the unboxing of the ASUS BR1100 laptop. This laptop is built for education. Let's get straight into it. My name is Sylvester, and once again, thank you for watching. Before I go any further, I want to give a shout out to my friends, ASUS South Africa, and our distributors, Rectron. Thank you for allowing me to do the unboxing of the ASUS BR1100. Thank you. We really appreciate you guys. Right, without any further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. This laptop is basically built for education, so a lot of students, a lot of kids will find great benefits of this video, and I hope that the parents and the people that make the decision watch this video, because it's really going to give you an insight in terms of how it looks and how it feels, right? This is the unboxing video. In my next video, I'll be doing the full-on review, going through the machine itself. But today, we're only doing the unboxing. So let's get straight into it. Just a disclaimer, this is the demo unit and not the brand new unit. However, I've never opened up this box. Today is actually my first time because I want to enjoy this journey with you. So without any further ado, let's do this. The unboxing of the ASUS BR1100. As soon as you open this is what I like. It gives you a message and it says, in search of incredible. That is nice. That's a nice touch. I really like that. The packaging is super cool. I like that. Every element fits. You can see the laptop has a nice space for it to fit. So let's open up the laptop. We'll open up the laptop in a bit. Here's the laptop. Here we go. Right. What you do get, you get your pin as well. You get the pin. I think this pin is for your nano SIM and your micro SD. I think it does come with that slot if they give us this pin. So this is cool. We know what we can expect. And then you've got your pamphlets here. There we go. Right, let's open up this section. This is cool. So charger is here. It just hides in this box. That's absolutely nice. I like that. That's your cable. There we go. So the packaging is super cool. I think it's nice. It's very simple, you know, and it's really designed for it to fit like that. So that's quite nice. I like that. I like the fact that everything fits together. And I'm just going to put the box on the side and then we can have a look at the actual laptop. I'll remove all the stuff off my desk. So let's just put this on the side quickly. Right. This is the laptop. Super excited. It's got its sleeve. All the laptops comes now. It comes with the sleeve and there we go. ASUS BR1100. My first impressions, let me be super honest. The unit feels solid. Solid. What I mean by solid is it just feels durable. That is why I see it's made and built for education. Because ASUS, I guarantee you, I'll purchase this laptop for my kids. Because my first impressions, durability. It's going to last my kids a very long time. I can really feel the shell. I can feel it's definitely made out of a steel body, definitely. If you look at the material itself, you know, it gives you material that is long lasting, and that is quite nice. That is nice. It looks absolutely, and it feels good. It really feels solid. It's a solid laptop, I can tell you. If you look at it, I like the fact that it's got all this the rubbers in front of it. So that's quite nice. If you look at it, I like the fact that it comes with this rubbers. Right, before we even open it up, let's look at the ports. Right, they've got a bunch of ports on both sides of the laptop. That's quite nice. And let's start with Ethernet port there. They've got a USB 2, that's a USB 2. And then you've got your nano and your micro SIM that can fit in there. Then you've got your headphones jack. Your headphones jack goes there. That's super nice. You've got an HDMI. Right, there we go. HDMI. And then you've got your USB. Now this is cool as well. They've got a USB Type-C availability for you as well. We know that a lot of technology, a lot of phones, a lot of gadgets come up with Type-C, and this gives you the ability to use your Type-C. So that's quite nice. Then you've got your normal charging port there. So I think really in terms of, they've covered every element of some tech. It's quite nice. There's a lot of slots that you can use. Right, I'm gonna open this laptop up and cool, love this. 11-inch screen, I can see it's 11-inch. If you open up the laptop, it looks absolutely nice. If you can look at this, let's look at the keyboard. This is nice. It's got a nice and soft touch. Even the keyboard, I can tell you already that the keyboard also has, it's just solid. You can really feel, there's a lot of laptops we work on and you can feel the keyboard. This one is really made for durability. Wow, something cool, something nice. I enjoy that. This laptop is spill resistant and also scratch resistant. So it gives you that ever long lasting effect. So when you spill something on, you can quickly wipe it down and you are not going to scratch your screen. So that's quite nice. Super cool. I know this laptop comes with a 180 degrees fold, and it comes with a 360 degree flip. This laptop is super, it's nice and small. So people will really enjoy this laptop because of its size, number one. Let's do now, we're going to do the flip. And the flip is like that. Now, something cool that I just noticed, it's got two cameras, right? So when you have it in flip mode, you have one camera, and then you use it on the other end, you've got a different camera. So let me quickly show you that. There we go. One camera there, and then you have another camera on this end. So that is absolutely nice. That is the flip. It is nice. It's like a big tablet now. So when you can use it in laptop mode or tablet mode. So that's super cool. Well done, ASUS. And you can look at the hinges. Just a small thing that I've noticed, like the hinges and the way it flips. It's super strong. Like everything, it doesn't even feel flimsy at all. Like I see why this was built for education, and I'm stoked. I'm excited that this is out there in the market. Super durable. I mean, this is nice. Guys, that's the unboxing of the ASUS BR1100. It's built for education. My first impressions on this unit, it is super durable. There's a lot of stuff that we will go into when we do the full-on review. But in the comments below, tell me, would you buy this laptop for your kids? My personal view, definitely. Super durable. I can even do a test in terms of doing a drop test, and I guarantee you that it's going to pass. It's definitely going to pass. So getting this laptop for your kids, at the time this video is recorded in South Africa, the cost for this laptop is 7,500 Rand. And it's so worth it. I would really get this laptop for my kids. That's the unboxing. We're doing the full-on review, and I'll only ask you this once. Please do subscribe, hit the like button, turn on your notifications for our next video, because I'm fully on transparent in my reviews and in what I do. This is Sylvester Speaks, and on this channel, we help founders with technology and we do top tech reviews. Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next video.